You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn to how to pronounce the name of this fashion designer and fashion brands famous for tons of fashion accessories and boots, clothing. He is from the Dutch-speaking part of Belgium, so we need to learn the Dutch pronunciation, the correct pronunciation. Dries Van Noten. That's how you'd say it. That's how he would say it, how you'd say it in Belgium. Dries Van Noten. If you cannot pronounce Dutch perfectly, you can say it as Dries, not Dries, not Dries. Dries Van. You can say Van with a V, or an F sound, which is a bit closer. Van Noten. Dries Van Noten. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.